And who is going to get number 3 on Saturday? So you guess it. So you guess it out. So that is a Play-Doh box. Let me see. I'm going to move Amber over, and that is a Play-Doh box. And you're going to open this. And who's going to see? Are you ready? Then that's a box. So we have there a box. So much time. And that time, who's going to get our box? Ready? Okay, I'll close my eyes. Oh my God. So how I got? So I got blue and yellow. Now it's my turn. I'm going to close my eyes. Oh, I got blue and yellow. I got dark blue and purple. Now it's my turn. What did I get? Saracia, come on. I got pink and orange. So now it's my turn. The turquoise. Oh, blue. Where's the blue? It's gone. Blue is my favorite color. So I know your favorite color is blue. I'm gonna close my eyes. I got pink and green. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna close my eyes. Let me see. I got orange and green. Now it's my turn to get it. Let me see. I got yellow and orange. Now it's my turn. I got yellow and orange. So now it's my turn. I got yellow and orange. So guys, how is that end of the day from the colors? Yeah, from the colors. From the Play-Doh colors, just comment down below. And thanks for watching my video. and comment down below which video do you have. Bye!